What if getting better with money has nothing to do with doing more? Think about it. We're told to start a side hustle, invest in crypto, track every penny, coupon, optimize our tax strategy, and just trying to keep up with the advice is exhausting. Your financial to-do list becomes a source of anxiety. You feel like you're failing because you can't manage the complexity. But what if the real secret isn't addition? What if it's subtraction? Today, I want to talk about a minimalist money strategy. It has just two moves: bulk the income, cut the complexity. It's about being fiercely intentional about what you let into your financial life so you can actually build wealth without the burnout. The problem? Financial clutter. We live in a world that equates busyness with progress. And with money, that means we try to do it all at once. We're trying to earn more while also managing 12 different budgeting categories, 7 investment accounts we don't understand, and subscriptions we forgot we had. This creates what I call financial friction. Every unused app, every vague financial goal, every tiny decision about what to do with $5, it creates mental drag. It drains your focus and willpower. You end up procrastinating on the big things, like asking for a raise or starting that project, because you're mentally exhausted from managing the noise. This complexity isn't just annoying, it's expensive. It keeps you reacting instead of strategically building. You're managing a cluttered room instead of drawing the blueprint for a house. Phase 1, bulk the income. Simplify the focus. So let's simplify. Phase 1 is bulk the income, but this isn't about frantic hustling, it's about focus. Most of us scatter our energy, a little bit on this gig, a little on that idea. Minimalist earning is about identifying the one main channel. For 90% of people, this is your primary job or your core skill. Your mission here is not to add 3 more things, it's to ask one question: how can I make this one channel 20% more valuable? This could look like spending 3 months mastering one new software that's crucial for your role, instead of dabbling in 5 random ones. It could mean preparing for one crucial conversation with your boss about a raise, instead of applying to 50 random jobs online. You're not adding tasks, you're deepening your impact in the area that already brings in the most resources. You clear the clutter of maybe opportunities to focus on the main opportunity. You clear the clutter of maybe opportunities to focus on the main opportunity. You clear the clutter of maybe opportunities to focus on the main opportunity. Phase 2, cut the complexity, the automated floor. While you're focusing on bulking income, your money management needs to go on autopilot. This is phase 2, cut the complexity. We're not building a detailed budget, we're building what I call an automated floor. Your floor is the simplest possible system that protects you. It has just 3 components, automated so you never have to think about them. The one bill account. All your essential fixed expenses, rent, utilities, debt minimums, get paid from one account. One automatic deposit from your paycheck covers it all. No tracking 15 different bills. The future self-transfer. Before you even see your paycheck, one fixed percentage, say 10%, gets whisked away into a separate savings or investment account. You don't decide each month, it just happens. The guilt-free zone. Everything left over, that's for food, gas, and life. No categories, no guilt. By automating your floor, essentials, and savings, you give yourself psychological permission to spend what's left without stress or tracking apps. This system cuts out hundreds of tiny monthly decisions. It removes the clutter. Your energy is no longer spent on managing money, but on earning it and living with it. The symbiosis, why these pair work. This works because the 2 phases support each other. Cutting the complexity in your management creates the mental space and calm needed to focus on bulking your income. You're not distracted by financial noise. And bulking your income makes your automated floor system more powerful. That 10% transfer becomes a bigger number, accelerating your progress without you lifting a finger. You stop being a reactive money manager and start being a strategic architect. The goal isn't a perfect, complicated spreadsheet. The goal is a simple, resilient system that runs in the background while you build your life in the foreground. Recap and call to action. Let's bring it home. The minimalist money strategy is this: bulk the income with focus, find your one main channel and deepen your impact there. Cut the complexity with systems, build your automated floor. one bill account, one future self-transfer, and a guilt-free zone. Your call to action this week is not to add something, it's to delete something. Look at one piece of your financial clutter, an app you don't use, a subscription you don't need, a vague goal stressing you out. Cancel it, delete it, or make it specific. That's your first cut. That's you making space to build. Thanks for watching. Go build your floor, then go build your future.